Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
Well, so dubious arms dealer Sanjay Bhandari's links in the Augusta and Pilatus deals are under scanner. While top probe agencies suspect a big defense racket, Bhandari's links with Vadra and his connections with Vadra's alleged London property deal is also being questioned. However, the Congress President Sonia Gandhi has come out in Vadra's defense, triggering a political fight.
कि रॉबर्ट वड्रा जी पर बात क्या हो गई, जांच क्या चलने की बात हो गई। सोनिया जी ने सीधा हमला माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पर ही बोल दिया कि वो शहंशाह नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री जी प्रधान सेवक अपने को कहते हैं, लेकिन कांग्रेस अपने आप को शहंशाह समझती होगी। प्रधानमंत्री अपने आप को शहंशाह नहीं बल्कि इस मुल्क का खिदमतगार प्रधान सेवक समझते हैं और इस देश के अंदर किसी को भी लूट की छूट वो देने वाले नहीं हैं और कानून के तहत काम करते हैं। बिना भेदभाव के काम होता है। बड़ा से बड़ा व्यक्ति हो या छोटा से छोटा, कानून सबके लिए बराबर से वो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं।
Some allegations have come out, and I think some BJP MP has kind of forwarded that. I think it's for those who made allegations to prove this case. If you have some evidence of some Benami transaction, you should have some links. Otherwise, the Benami is Benami. How do you have to prove? And if I am not mistaken, I think Mr. Vadra's office has issued a statement saying that there is no connection, and this is a trumped-up charge. So I think we should leave it at that. The gentleman from BJP who's been making these statements has been doing these trumped-up things for a long time. He himself has a little credibility because, if you remember, one of his own partner parties, the Shiv Sena, has been putting allegations against him. So a person who's himself facing allegations comes up with, many of these. If there's no evidence, there's really not much to believe. So if you think there's been a wrongdoing, and very clearly, in this case, it's not that, this is something, the member of parliament has himself come up with. Obviously, it's a well thought out thing. Government must have given him information. Otherwise, how does somebody know what is happening inside investigation that is going on? These leaks are very clearly selective, Otherwise, normally, no investigating agency worth its salt will leak anything because it will, loosen their defense case.
उनके खिलाफ एक्शन लेना चाहिए और मोदी जी में हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो सोनिया गांधी और वाड्रा को हाथ लगा सके और मोदी जी उनको गालियां दे दे के प्रधानमंत्री बन गए, लेकिन कुछ सेटिंग कर ली है उन्होंने सोनिया गांधी के साथ कि जो उनके परिवार को वो हाथ नहीं लगा रहे हैं।